In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage two-step verification in Confluence. Two-step verification, sometimes called two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring something more than just your password when you sign in. This helps protect your Confluence content and any other Atlassian products linked to your account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the settings and how to move through the prompts confidently. To start, open your browser and go to your Atlassian administration page. Make sure you're already signed in with the account you use for Confluence. Once you're on the admin site, look for the option that takes you to your personal account area. Here, you want to click on Account Settings. This is where you manage things like your profile, visibility, and security options for your Atlassian account. When the Account Settings page loads, you'll see a few different sections or tabs. Look for the one labeled Security and click on it. The Security section is where Atlassian keeps all your sign-in and protection features together. So anything related to logins, passwords, and verification methods will live here. On the security page, find the option that says Manage Two-Step Verification and click it. This is the dedicated area where you can turn two-step verification on, review your current setup, or make adjustments if you've already configured it before. Depending on your organization's policies, you may see information about whether two-step verification is recommended or required. Before you can actually change anything, Atlassian will ask you to confirm your identity. You will be prompted to type in your account password. Enter your current password carefully, then continue. This password check helps ensure that only you can modify your security settings, even if someone else has temporary access to your device. After confirming your password, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through setting up or managing your two-step verification method. Typically, this might involve scanning a QR code with an authenticator app, or confirming a code sent to your device. Take your time to read each instruction and make sure you keep any backup codes or recovery options in a safe place so you don't get locked out later. Once you've completed the steps on screen, your two-step verification settings will be updated and your Confluence account will be better protected.